Guess what? Your mother is not good at guessing. But the way your face is filled with smile, I'm sure you came back with good news. Mama, this is going to be the best and biggest news you will ever hear. Explode with my daughter. Because you're forcing my enemies to explode with excreta. You can have to say, Mama, I've gotten admission to study accounting at the cooperative college. Mama. Mama. Hey, accounting, Mama. Your daughter, Isioma. I'm going to be the first accountant in this our kindred. Hey! The only thing remaining is just for me to pay for 5,000 acceptance fee. Hey! Mama, what is it? It's your mom. Did you say it's how much? But 5,000 is, Mama. Look at it now. See it. Oh. 45,000 naira. It's 45,000 naira, Mama. We do people that study medicine, they are paying 500,000 naira. Only just 45,000 naira. Mama, I can't do it. It's okay, Mama. Mama, what is it? Look at the baby. Mama. 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 After all the advances I've made towards Buchi and the support I gave to his father, he still cannot look at me. Rather, he's with that poor wretched Isioma.
Ebi, you know you are my friend. Don't worry. I will tell you what to be doing until Buchi becomes yours. Yes, he is the finest boy in this village. And for that, he belongs to a classy girl like you.
Exactly.
The daughter of the most influential man in this village. Not that poor wretched thing called Isioma.
Anyway, that's why you're my best friend. With Buchi as my husband, my life is complete too. You'd rather be mine.
Yeah.
What happened to her?
Uncle, she fainted on hearing that I got admission at the cooperative college.
Which cooperative college? Have you finished from the community college?
It's a higher college where I will graduate as an accountant.
Okay. But it's good news now. She's supposed to be happy about it. What's making her faint?
Uncle, I think it's because of the fee. It's high.
What is the fee?
45,000 naira.
Hey, Big Pop! Okay, that is enough to kill her now. That is enough. I couldn't have 4,000 naira last week. She has not been. When do you expect her to get this amount of money? But even you, Isioma, how could you have gone to tell her without telling me first?
Why are you blaming me? I was so excited. I was very excited.
Stop this thing now.
Besides, Uncle, I know we are very poor, but she told me she had been saving for my school for years.
Yeah, it's true, but she had a serious financial setback that actually took the grace of God to keep her. She almost died. She developed high blood pressure after that. It's something she will not tell you, but me, I will tell you everything. I will not hide anything from you.
poverty is in the land. Let them not infect my Buchi with their wretchedness. What is all this? That is, if your Buchi has not been infected already, God forbid. Yes, check your time.
What is he still doing there at this time of the night?
I would rather stay there and wait.
Do you want me to give you
Stop worrying. She'll be fine.
She won't be fine.
What binds Isioma and I together is called love. I assume you know the meaning. But if you don't, when you get home, you can ask your father to buy you a dictionary so you can look it up.
Why are you sounding like that, Buchi? I love you so much. You're the only one I love. There's no other woman for you.
all the money she saved up together with the one she borrowed from the UN committee, they were invested in that wonder bank called Pillars that promised high-yielding dividends, only for them to evaporate overnight with the money people invested, including your mother. Your mother almost died at that time. She almost died. And we had to hide it from you so that you could concentrate on your senior WAEC and your JAM. Well, I had to sell the only land your father owned to pay off the women debt, women committee debt. And I have been borrowing her money for you people's upkeep.
Uncle, how did all this happen without me knowing?
You see, it was our responsibility to hide it from you so that you could concentrate on your education. But now that everything is over and you know, that is how.
Hey, God. Hey, God. What kind of bad luck is this, Uncle? What kind of thing is this? Now my future hangs on the balance.
Hey, my daughter, don't cry. There is hope. Do you hear me? Asim na hope day.
Oh, Uncle, how?
Hey, get. There is a man in the city. His name is Chief Oganka. He's coming to see you very soon. When he comes to see you, you will see that hope. Ogan, will matter that this admission you have can never go to waste. Ada, there is more. There is more. You know what do you think? I said there is more. Buchi, you are telling lies. You are telling lies. Listen, my boy. I, your father, Apakele Moshwele, will never be alive to see you spend the money that is made from your teacher's training college in Isioma. Yes, that girl has nothing to offer to this family at all. Your mother today is in America enjoying her omobo because I trained your sister Nkechi as a nurse and she found a man, an educated man who lives abroad. Listen, my son, you better desist from associating yourself with that rotten family because they have nothing to breed but ill luck and misfortune. You talk as though you don't know how far Isioma and I have come. It is still dead to us, Patu. I don't get to know. Maybe you will have to use your urine. Take care of her. Because I am not ready to give you any further. I know I don't have money, but Isioma, my love, must go to school. That is what I've determined. She must go to school. Listen to me. If you are not ready to go to the teacher's training college because of Isioma, then let it be. Let it be! I say let it be! Papa, you cannot abandon your son. You cannot let me be wallowing. I will not marry the person I want to marry. Wallow. Wallow.
Where is that boy, the manager? Sabi?
Yes.
Where is that idiot that you call my manager? How much does you make that last supply there?
1,650,000, sir.
1,650,000.
Yes, sir.
That is too small. Did you sell houses?
No, sir, we don't sell houses.
You does not sell houses?
Yes, sir.
Why? Sabi? Yes. Call me that idiot that to repair houses.
They are here.
Why you does not make houses?
Sir, the supplier is left.
Supply there for market. They are supply in supply in Ochanja market. Even in Bar market, you get it supply. Why does not supply market here?
Sir, those people, Their fishes are very small.
Very small. Make sure next Friday you sell out this and give me 2 million and above.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sabi?
Chief.
Go back this motor vehicle. I just want large motor vehicle back here.
Let me go and look for the man there.
Do his bidding and go to cities. Don't risk your future.
What future? I do not have any future without you. We are like the eyes and the nose. They can't exist without each other. I will do everything possible to make sure you
You don't work, neither do I. Depend on our parents for their
This life. I will do all sorts of jobs. I will do whatever job it takes to make sure you trust me.
just you've been talking about 45,000
I am Apakene Mushku. How are you, my daughters?
Yeah, very fine.
Very good, very good. As you can see, I am rushing to Kotra. I have a great day and I have to meet up.
I made you very delicious breakfast. I was even on my way to your house to give it to you.
Hey! Hey! Pepper soup!
Very delicious.
No. Pepper soup! You have always been doing this in the absence of my wife. I appreciate it. Listen to me. You are not just a daughter. You are already our wife. So, how is your father, Uche Namwekeme?
He's very fine, Inai. He's very fine.
Oh, a very good man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Send me word to your father and you.
You don't have to beg her. Like you said, she is your daughter-in-law. So if she doesn't take care of you, who will?
So please let me rush down.
Papa, take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you very much.
Enjoy the food,
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Greet your father. Hey, I will not be...
You know, that is the development as it is now. Chifokanga is the only solution, the way things are now. He will help you send her to the cooperative college. He will also help you defray your remaining debts. And possibly set up a business for you.
Nana, the offer is so tempting.
I know.
But the problem here is Buchi.
What Buchi? What Buchi? Huh? Will Buchi train her? Will Buchi revive your ailing health? Or will Buchi help you pay off your debts? Or will Buchi set up business for you? Think well, woman. Think well.
Nan, but they're in love.
Ikpiripogo. Unknown. No problem. Therefore, let love train her in school for you. That money I borrowed you, plus the one I am going to pay to Mosisi for treating you, all of them come to... Wait, let me find. They all come to 14,600. So please, tell Love to bring me the money as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will not get a single farthing from me again.
No, Nani, it hasn't gotten to that, Nani.
Tell Love to come and pay me, oh!
Nani, please now. Please, it hasn't gotten to that, Nani. Nani, you're my last hope. What do you expect me to do now? Nani,
My good friend, you know we have been good friend long ago. I have paid 100,000 naira for pigs already.
I know.
What I'm begging for is just for you to remove some money from this talking.
No, my good friend, no. Look at these fat talkers. Can't you see them? No. Add something, please. Add something. Petrol has added money. You didn't hear it? Add something.
Do you still feed your turkey and your pigs with fuel?
Oh, you don't know.
Our people with fuel.
My chicken, my pigs, all of them drink.
Is that it? You must have a special one. Can I have it? Let me go and get the bag.
You have tried very much. Okay.
You're something you're not serious. Come.
Buchi! Buchi! What are you on about?
My father.
I saw someone beating your father.
Where?
Buchi, there's no need for questions. Because if you don't hurry down to that place, you might meet your father there. The man now go up over now. If you don't hurry up to that place now, you get meeting Maggie there.
Hey!
My love,
please stay here. Let me just know what's going on, okay? Let me take care of it.
I'm coming with you.
No, you don't have to. I'll be back as soon as possible. Let me just go know what's wrong, okay? Wait for me. Now.
Chiro, help! You want to trade where queens dwell, okay? What does that mean? You're asking me what does that mean? I mean go look for a papa like you and stop lurking around the man after my heart. Chimu, wait. Chalokwa, don't tell me that this is your plan to scuttle our quiet, lovely moment.
It is also to warn you. Because if you don't stay clear from Buchi, Buchi no wepo I get any ginando. Tolo.
Hey, how mischievous how mischievous can both of you be? Buchi! Run! Our flowers! Hey! Exactly. Daddy, you're doing well!
So I told him, you see, my baby, be my wife.
Yes, Chief. If you do exactly what I'm asked you to do.
Catch is not my problems. When Catch sees me, Catch don't come to me for me to spend in it. You see this place? It's my joint. Every Friday, big peoples will be full to this place, spending cash. Sabi?
Yes, Chief.
Bring me 50,000.
Okay, Chief.
This is 50,000. 5,000 on top of it. Soya Okada. When I received telephone of Isioma, my baby, calling me grand to say thank you, no mention. I will send Sabi a permanent secretary. Come with 50, 100,000. Other amateur talam. No, amateur talam.
Thank you, Ganga.
I did it before I collected my money back.
Thank you, Chief Ganga. Thank you.
I'll be my permanent secretary. I take this money. Book expenses number 4.
That a very girl is crazy. Don't worry, I know how to deal with her.
My lord, whatever that stupid girl is up to, she'll have to kill me to have you. In fact, she'll have to bury me. Because I'll fight her from the spirit.
Nobody's going to. You and I know that our love is deeply rooted where no one can ever uproot it. Now that I know her better. You know your friend.
Of course. I did not see anything to say anything. Next stage now is to go to his house, kneel and apologize to him. Beg him. Act like a broken girl. Cry! Shed crocodile tears. If you don't know how to cry, go to Mama Emeka's shop and buy rope. Use it on your eyes so that you can bring out tears. Do you understand? Make his father believe that what you saw was what looked like his motorcycle. That you only acted out of care. Because of the love you have for his family. Do it very well. Cry. They will believe you.
Okay, but you sure this will work?
Trust me now. I am your special advisor and you know. Trust me, it will work.
No problem, I will try it. When we are together, I'll see how that can work.
Any problem. We are being together, just sit down with me. I will make sure I monitor each and every of their movements to give you feedback when they are together.
Okay, let's go. Thank you very much. I will
make sure I monitor the
great work. So get Buchi, because I want Buchi.
Nan, that was why I came. To tell you to go on with the arrangement with Chifokanga. Because I can see that he is the only way out of this, my poverty and the debt.
Oh.
As for my daughter, I will talk to her as soon as she comes back, so that she will see reasons with me.
You know, I was supposed to come to your house before you came. I met Chifokanga when I left your house.
What's again?
This is 45,000.
There you go.
He gave me money for her school. This money didn't come just like that. He came with a series of slaps and insults. Don't worry. One day you will understand. Anyway, you can see there's a piece of paper on this money. That's his phone number. He said that if Isioma can call that number and acknowledge this money, that he will send us 100,000.
Hey, wait! Obiamanano. 100 again.
100,000 naira.
Okurienesi oku. Hey! Okay, it is a kid of she will call him. Chapali. She will call immediately. Do you know that immediately you left my house? Wanima came to my house, harassing me. No bomb harassment.
Like any mess.
And you go 1,005.
That matter is over.
Oh, Bego, no, I get Bego.
We need to tell Isioma. This is where Eba Kifeneme.
One option. One option, yeah.
And I will supposed to.
But no one option.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's it.
You say, want me to accept this money and sell my soul? I don't know this man. I've not met him. I don't know what he looks like. And you people are saying I should do what? Listen, I'm not getting married to whosoever simply because I am poor and need help. No. Listen, Mama, my Buchi is enough for me. We can crack palm kernel and feed on it. I'm okay with that. In fact, Mama, I don't want to go to school again. That school should wait. If it means getting married to somebody as his 5th wife, Mama, his 5th wife. Ha! Mama, hey, God forbid.
Isioma, you know your uncle Okike will not take this lightly. He personally told me that he received some hustlers before he got this money and even promised to do more. Scuttling this hard-earned headway will mean him desisting from helping us.
In fact, what am I even doing? Let me go to my room and sleep. This conversation is good. I'm not going to be anybody's 5th wife. Why are you kissing? I'm a mara.
My sweetheart, all them nervy.
Ana basa kwa kana nyelu mogbenye aka. Owe bulive kwulu ka na-eme owe atọ na nkịtị o. Akum. Chief GC akwa Dikeh. Mgbe nke afụrụ n'anya ọfụsi nne ndị bala ọgaranya na nwa. A na-ekwu na nkịtị o. Ayi. I remember something now. I remember something. This one, what did you see? I have not called to say thank you, no mention. Not everything is all right. Sabi?
Chief.
Give me my telephone.
Which one of them?
Nokia to Nokia.
Hello?
Hey. This one is your man. I have not called to say thank you, no mention. I hope everything is all right.
Chief, you know, I told you she traveled to Haikunne people. Hey, I shall be coming back today or tomorrow or maybe even next tomorrow.
You see? You see? When I am giving you 50,000, you didn't told me that Isioma will be traveling to Vile Ikunne. Eh? And you didn't even know when she will be coming back.
Chief, you see, I know I have told you that she traveled out. But once she come back immediately, I will give her your number and she will call you.
Okay. Well, I will wait. I will wait even tomorrow. Good afternoon. I will even wait tonight. But if I does not get a call, I will come with a phone and we will close the account. You balance me my money.
It's all right, Chief. He has not got to that yet. Chief, no problem. No problem. Bye-bye, Chief.
Bye-bye, no problem. And Clifford, this one, my canary agent, has not to call.
Clearing agent, sir.
Sorry, Clifford. Sorry, I was talking to my permanent secretary, Sabina. This one, my canary agent, I have not to call. I hope everything is all right. You see, people are waiting for the good in the market. To sell the good and sell the market. Yes. Why? Why is that? Oh, bring my good. People want to sell the market. Okay, Nze. All right, yo.
I made 1,800 naira.
And I made 600 naira.
Okay, we put it together, we have 2,400. We're making progress.
The road to 45,000 is still very long. And you have just 5 days to go. I'm so confused.
I know you do not have to be confused, my love. Believe me, you must go to school. I promise you that.
You know, Whenever I look into your eyes, I see myself. Your love is so pure and real.
Your heart beats in my heart. What I feel for you is indescribable. What cannot describe it? I will give the whole world to have you.
I'm ready to die for you.
No, everyone will die.
No, me.
But you know I'm the one who's ready to die.
Is he lying?
Okay, bring the money, let's eat it.
I cannot believe this is coming from you, Olonwa. Today I fell off the bicycle trying to answer his call. People now call us miserable people. The key out of our poverty lies with you. And you're not telling me you do not want to hurt your daughter's feelings.
There's nothing I can do again, please, Nani. My daughter, you see, she has built her life around Buchi. And Buchi's father is not even trying to help them. They now took the decision to do any kind of job they see in order to raise this money. That's why I decided to return this one.
It's alright. I will take this money and return it to Okanga. But I swear by my brother's memory, you and your daughter will suffer the consequence of this decision that your stupid daughter have taken. Because me, I will no longer give any assistance to you. And then again, I'm giving you 14 days to return all the money I borrowed you, or you will see what I will do to you.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine. Papa, we have brought these things to prepare food for you.
For me?
Yes.
Oh, you mean you went to the market to buy these items? And even chicken to prepare special meal for me?
Yes, Papa. You know, I've loved this family with all my heart. And you especially. You know, my father speaks highly of you. Buchi has grown very fond of me, just that he has refused to tell me his mind. So I decided to take it upon myself to take care of you and Buchi. So that when Mama returns, she will know that I'm doing a good job for you.
Oh, and you are really doing a good job. Hi,
Papa.
Listen, Iberichukwu, you have won my heart. You have won my heart. You have done so much, so much that all the chances to end up in this house as my daughter-in-law.
Are you serious, Papa?
Yes! Yes! I, Apakene, loves progress. Your father is a progressive man. And I can see the progressive spirit in you.
Papa.
So do not worry, My son must be made to see the progress and key into it. Don't worry. He will be made to marry you. He must marry you. No other girl. Hey! Oh, very lovely. I like that.
And Papa, let's go inside and prepare it for you.
Okay.
Inai.
Yes,
you know that Buchi is no longer a boy. He is now a man. So it's not something you force on him.
No.
My advice.
No. I am going to force him to, and he must do it. Yes. Go inside and do your cooking. You are
bring
welcome.
the pots. Let me keep this one. Welcome.
Wow, Papa. I like progress. I associate with progress. Why not go and get food? What are you going to eat? Who is this? Where are you from? What is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Why you were there wasting away your time? Turning for that useless girl, that non-entity. Why these ones are here? They came and they prepared this delicious meal with a very big fowl. White one at that. They prepared this delicious meal like that. To enjoy yourself. Shouting, what are you doing here? Eh? Will you tell me you didn't see this guy here? The girl that is supposed to be your wife?
Papa, these girls are a bundle of mischief.
Huh?
They told me the other night that somebody was beating you up mercilessly. And I ran there like a madman, only to discover it was a lie.
Papa, it's a lie, yo.
I know it's a lie.
It's a big lie. Papa, I saw some people plotting against you to come and fight you. And I decided to take it upon myself to go and tell him that some people are plotting to come and fight you. Papa, is it a bad thing?
There is nothing wrong, my daughter. You have never told lies since I knew you. You have never. You are the one that has come to tell lies here.
Papa, you take her words against mine.
Why not? Why not? You have been a liar and I know you.
Okay.
Are you mad? It's okay. Give back. Come inside. Stupid boy. He doesn't even want to understand. If you are hungry, why not come and join me here?
Oh my God.
Okay. I will never mind. Listen. You are the owner of this house.
Thank you, Papa.
No other woman will come in. From what you have just done, you are a good girl.
Don't worry, eat your food, eh?
That is the decision, and it is final. You see, I've lost your father. I can't lose your uncle just like that. He is the only person protecting and helping me. Isioma, please, you have to marry Chief Okanga and set us free. If you say no, prepare to bury me as early as possible, tomorrow or next tomorrow.
I don't know, but I would plead for you to allow me go hunting with you tonight. I'm in dire need of money. I don't know where else to get it from. I just hope you could let me go hunting with you to see if I can kill an antelope or any bigger animal I could sell for like 20,000 naira.
Buchi, I saw you farming for Mr. Culture in the afternoon. And now you want to hunt for money. Your father is a rich man. What problem is it that your father cannot solve?
Peter, you will not understand. Just let me go with you. I'm begging you.
Well, Buchi, I must tell you, hunting is like a gambling. Sometimes you catch big, sometimes small, sometimes nothing for the week.
I know. I am ready to take my chance. You never can tell what will come out of it. Just give me the opportunity to go with you. No matter what I get, I'll be okay with it.
Okay, if I say you should pay me now, you don't have to come.
I know you have been a hunter for years, and you would have more than one gun. You can lend me one, please.
you insist, but I didn't test my
Isioma, make sure you finish it before 12. That is if you go to the kitchen. My wife wanted to give you to Agwama, the woman that used to do it before. But because of the way you paid, I gave it to you. Let me go to my store.
I promise I will deliver.
When you are done, keep it at the back.
No way, because it's not my own. I can't take it.
Please now, please give me some time. If not because of my ill health, I would have paid you this money.
No, please. You know I borrowed that money from the church.
Okay.
Oh yes, I borrowed it from the church. I had to give you because of your condition. And on Sunday, I am going to pay back. Otherwise, they will announce to the church that I embezzled their money.
Hey!
Please!
Please, Chinelo,
No, please. I don't want it. I need that money. I need it, please.
Please. Please, please, now give me some time. Hey! Hey!
Hello.
How? I went hunting with Dinta all night, but I was able to get just a small squirrel I sold for 800 naira. And then I went early this morning to clear my to chase around. I still have one more farmland to clear.
You're going through all this because of me.
I know I'll do anything. I have to be on my way now. They're waiting for me so I don't miss my pick. I can make my pick.
Same here. I have to deliver this, then go to one worker's farm to work.
Please let's meet later in the evening at our usual spot.
I love you so much.
I love you too. Don't you think it will become an object of ridicule and soil to your name if you fail to assist his son? Yes, you can give him the money and tell him that will be the last time he will do such. The fox must be chased away first and then run the end against wandering in the bush. Okay, for my friend. I quite understand what you mean. But the truth is that I am not ready to raise Buchi like that. I am not. If he needs the word of God, I think that is the best thing for him. Then let him suffer it himself. Yes. Listen, there are many girls. Many girls from very rich family, good family. It is ability that he should run after. And not that miserable family. No! No! Anyway, I'm just concerned about what our people will say.
Yes, I'm just concerned about what about our people will say.
Before they start insulting you, that yet you have the money. And you allow your son to be washing their faces. Listen, let people say whatever they want to say. This is my family. And I know how to manage my family. Let them say whatever they want to say. But then, think about it. Think about it. Yes, 2008. If we add it to the 2004 biggest stadium we have, 5,000. We still have a long way to go. Hi.
I think we should leave this admission and school pressure. Look at what you've become in just 2 days. 2 days. You're no longer looking like my Buchi. Buchi Kemba, Okulonga, the envy of all the girls in this village. Please, I can use that 5,000 to start trading or something. Because we have just 4 days to go. How can we?
No. They will push you to the rich man if I fail. Not only do we need to pay your fees, we need to offset your mother's debts. Did you get it? I have to live up to the man I am. Don't worry about that. Just go. I'll see you
Sabina.
Yes, Chief.
Give me my telephone Samsung.
Which one is Samsung?
That big one, I bought 72,000.
My sweetheart, all the loving, oh, Mira, Chagimonia.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm working here. Where is he seeing my telephone calling on my catch?
Ah, Chief. I'm sorry, she traveled. She traveled. When she comes back, I will tell her.
Let me tell you, this one, the business I have not started, and I'm already seeing rat.
Smelling rats, Chief.
Thank you for correction. Yes, I am smelling rat. I hope it is not a wayo business.
Chief, please. My daughter is not a business. I have told you that she traveled outside. Once she comes in, Chief, I will give her your number and she will call you.
Okay. Sabi?
Yes, Chief.
Take 2,000 for correction in your English.
Thank you, Chief.
Take your good and your evil and give me all the money that I gave you on behalf of the chief and give me all the money you're also owing me.
Man, calm down. It's not my fault. I've been forcing Isioma here to call Chief on phone. And she said no, she refused. That instead of leaving Buchi, that she would rather die. Ask her, she's here.
Look, is it true? I asked you a question.
Yes, ma'am.
May Amadio Honso to bend your mouth there for you. I don't blame you. Anyway, this is the last time you're going to see me in this town. And let me tell you, if any of you comes to my house to beg for anything, I will have your legs cut off. All I want for you, you have 5,000 now and go and die your misery.
Who did
My 45,000.
Mama, again.
What? Why are you doing this one for?
Mama, not again, please. Uncle, come. Mama, please.
I don't know what else to do. I have just today and tomorrow to pay up the money. I know you have your way with these things, please. Just tell me if there's any way you know I could go borrow money. I promise to pay with any interest.
Well, the only place you can get money right now is at the shrine of Okoto.
What?
Yes. And failure to pay him at the agreed time and with the agreed interest, that means death.
Hey!
45,000 is a very small money to him. If you agree, we just go there.
Hey!
This is the boundary between Ojazuribo and Ajofia. Whoever I lend money, I bring to this spot, so that the trees and the birds can bear me witness. That is why I brought you here. I borrowed you 200,000 to pay me 300,000 in a year. Isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Now, the trees and the birds bear me witness that if he fails to return my money in 1 year, whatever action I take to recover my money, I will be justified. The trees and the birds bear me witness.
Hey, this girl. What are you doing there? Huh?
Okay, I'm tired. Please let me rest more.
Was he tired? Was he rest?
See, you came to me pleading for this work. I gave you this work. Look at that man over there. He has been working for me for 2 years on different sites.
Okay, engineer, it's not a work. Let me rest more, please.
My lord, come, let's go. Come, go where?
Osa, it's important. We have to leave here now.
Osigo, see, if you leave here, no pay for you.
You can keep the pay.
Keep the pay. Come, let's do this. Come, just come. Come.
So, Onunwa dipped hand into the 45,000 and took some money. What kind of poor mentality does she have, eh? And on top of that, she was not even able to convince or force Isioma to accept Okanga. Now, how do I raise money to pay the 5,000 I took and the 4,000 she removed from the 45 I gave her? I must go to her now, bundle Isioma and hand over to Chief because he has called and is threatening that he's coming for his money today.
Okay, come. Come on. Do not be afraid. You see, I does not want to come to your house because of your wife. I was loaning you money before, but I does not see the benefit of loaning you money. You see, hey, took this bicycle and put it on the boot of my motor jeep and take notice of the business so that my customers can come and give me money. You see, until he pay me my law cash. Thank you. Thank you very much. You see, I does not play with my money. I does not play with my money at all. I was the person loaning you money. But now, where is my money? Where it is?
Isioma! Olunwa! Isioma! Both of you should come out. Olunwa! Hi! Where is Olunwa? Where is Isioma? Both of you should come out and force somebody to dead. Look, I want the complete money to give this man. I'm tired of hiding from him in this village.
I was just coming to your house to give you the 4,000 naira. She told me it was taken out from the 5,000 naira. Here it is.
No. The money is not. It's not 4,000. The money is not 4,000.
No, go on.
The money that came from Okanga is 50,000.
Of course, I took 5,000 for all this land.
Hey!
Hey, I gave you 45,000.
Nani, so you took money from it without even telling me.
Please shut up here.
Do you know how much you are even owing me? In fact, give me all the money you are owing me.
Please, how much is the total money?
To balance Okanga is 9,000. Then plus the old 12,500. It comes to 21,500.
21,500.
Yes, 21,500.
We are going to the cooperative college to pay for her acceptance and tuition fee. She'll be starting school on Monday.
Yes, sir. And he has cleared all my debts. And gave me extra 20,000 naira to start the food business. Why crazy? Oh, no. Man, are you not happy for me? You want to go beyond it? You are born with a black.
mean Mwanyama told you that Buchi paid all her school fees and even paid the debt that Olungwa is owing? Is that what you're telling me?
Naye, I heard it from a reliable source.
Where did he get such?
Naye, with the kind of love he has for her, maybe she pushed him to stay. That's the only way.
No. I know my son very well. He's very stubborn. Remember, I know he will never pick somebody's money. The money that does not belong to him, no, I know he will not do that. It's all the same, I am still wondering. I am still wondering where he got such an amount of money. Buchi!
My permanent secretary, Sabi. This place, this is my in-laws village. Anytime I come, I always spend time here. Drinking. You see, I want to take a caterpillar to break this place into pieces and build a new house for it so that my friend will know that this place is very good. You see, my very good friend, Pericoma of Iron this work. He told me, he talked to me, he said, Buchi, you see, person is God to him, person. You know, you go to school, you does not know anything too much.
Chief.
Look, sit down.
Chief, here is the money. I have tried everything possible, it's not working. So I said, let me bring back the money.
Took back the catch, took it back to your pocket. I does not need that catch. You see? I will even supply you another 50,000. Make it 100,000. And on top of it, I will give you 6, 7, 8 months. Go and work on Isioma until Isioma becomes my latest wives. Yes.
Chief, are you serious?
Chief Okanga does not talk nonsense. If Chief Okanga is serious, I would go to Borobe Hospital and took a bed in there and do my sickness. Sabi? Go and borrow his bicycle and give him 2,000 naira to take it by fuel. Chief Okanga does not talk nonsense.
Yes, Chief. Thank you very much, Chief. Look, there's a strategy I have now. A strategy I will use. Isioma, we must be coming.
Look again. Go to Chanja. Buy strategy. Use a strategy. Brought my wife to my house so that I can demolish my village. So that I can celebrate wife.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okanga. Chief Okanga must marry more wife. Yes, I does not play with my money. I'm a man of catch.
So please, can I see him and say goodbye?
See who? There is no need. I said there is no need. You get lost. Get lost! And never come to this company anymore. Leave my son alone! Rubbish. Papa. Yes. What did you say to her? I told her the truth. That you can never get married to her. Yes! Papa, you're looking for my trouble. Who is looking for his trouble? Ina Tukamoku, Papa. Papa, Ina Tukamoku.
yourself, please. I can never leave you for anyone, never. It's you and I forever.
They say we can be together. They say we can be together. Let me die. Let me.
Don't talk like that. Do not say that. It's you and I, not you and them. Okay? It's you and I forever. I will never leave you for anyone in this world.